And now it's time for That's Amazing. Today, the misunderstood saber-toothed squirrel. Scrat was made in the movie Ice Age, was released in 2002. Until 2011, scientists found remains in Argentina of a saber-toothed squirrel. The one and only Scrat. Sounds like another one of those animals that make you watch Ice Age and make you sad. That's amazing! And now it's time to meet our first guest. Here he is, all the way from the Cretaceous. Here is Here is Frank, the saber-toothed squirrel. Hi, Frank. Now tell us the life of a saber-toothed squirrel. Sure thing. Now, we heard that Scrat is a saber-toothed squirrel. Yeah. Scrat from the movie Ice Age was released in 2002, but in 2011, scientists found remains in Argentina of a saber-toothed squirrel. No, you don't actually live in the Ice Age, do you? No. This animal was basically in a real-life version of Scrat, only it did not live during the Ice Age. Rather, it lived around 99.6 to 96 million years ago during the Cretaceous. In fact, this animal was found in the Candelaros Formation, the exact same formation as Giganotosaurus. Wow. Now, what do you eat? While Scrat likes to gobble down nuts, Cornopio would have eaten the insects, grubs, and other bugs of its time. Now, thanks, Frank, for showing what's life for a saber-toothed squirrel, and thanks, and also for Scrat, for the evolution of Scrat. No problem, Brad. Goodbye. Bye.